Your Morning Minute, presented by Bath Depot.
Hi everyone, it's Kimberly Wynn from Your Morning. We're checking out the newest location of Bath Depot in Edmonton South side along Calgary Trail. Don, can you tell us about the newest store location and a promotion happening right now?
Yeah, this is our 50th location in the company. It's in South Edmonton. We have everything here that you need for your renovation project to create your escape at home. We have bathtubs and toilets and vessel sinks and vanities and faucets and mirrors. We have all that you need to create your escape.
What's the promotion?
The promotion this week is 20% off bathtubs and an additional 30% off of other selected merchandise as well.
Excellent, Don. Thank you so much for joining us. If you want more information on Bath Depot, head to their website, bathdepot.ca.